What's good, boys, girls, non-binary companions? Today I will be testing out my 90% win rate strategy on replay trading. Because I don't want to wait days. I'm not waiting days to like record that shit. You feel me? So like through the process, I will explain what's going on. I won't tell my I'm dying. I will tell like snippets of information that's like really handy to know. But just because I'm autistic, I can't tell it all in once. So you have to watch the whole vid, else it's not a gold mine. And I do tell a story in the middle, but that's a good story. So please keep in mind. I wanted to enter Dogecoin, as you can see, but I wasn't recording. But what I was saying is it either stopping here or stopping here. So yeah, that's why I'm not entering for a long. And I'm also not entering for a short because that's just not how I roll. If you don't know who I am, maybe subscribe. I spent 1 year developing my strategy. I mean, it's not like I worked on one strategy for like a year. I like border hopped strategies. So you feel me? So like, I saw like a dumbass indicator strategy, but I'm mentioning this again. If you use an indicator, stop it, end it. Because we all know indicators are here to help you, not do the work for you. You feel me? So like, if you have an indicator like this, how about you stop? How about you stop trading? How about you end it? Okay? You're not cut out for it. Okay? So if you have something, let's say, no, you have to buy, please buy this. No, sell. How does it know? Why does this thing know it, but you don't? Are you dumb? A screen can tell you what you need to do, but you don't. Okay, buddy. I mean, it tells you what to do, but it doesn't do it well. You feel me? So, I only have my New York and London session indicator, so I just don't need to do work because it's tough. At the end of the video, we will check how this is going. I'm not entering, that's for sure. But I can make an assumption that this is going to be a resistance zone and this is going to be a resistance zone. Let's go to replay mode. I'm on replay trading because that's way more fun. This is what we are working with. So this is my little cutie patootie zone. And now we play the waiting game. You know, if you don't wait, you ain't winning. If you are not waiting, you ain't winning. You ain't winning. If you're not waiting, you're not winning. I'm not a rapper. Let's be fair, I'm not a rapper. Oh, whoa. Wow, that was a bit quick. But yeah, it's going back down. But we still play the waiting. All we do is wait. Okay. One more. Okay, this confirmation for me, like, no, it's begging me, you know, it's on his knees, like, begging, like, please sell me. So I'm selling him. I'm selling him to, let's say, here, this is where I'm selling. Like I mentioned last video, I know it's outrageous, the stop loss, but does it matter if it's never gonna get hit? Maybe it's gonna get tickled, but it's not gonna get hit. Okay, you feel me? That's what I'm talking about. So the thing is, I can't predict if it goes further. I can't predict that if it will go further than the resistance zone. I can predict it when I'm like live trading, like on my phone, like the whole day. You feel me? But on replay, you can't predict that because you need to move or take profit. But yeah, don't actually. Whenever you set those things, just don't touch it. You wouldn't like to get touched after. Actually, I do want to get touched. Now that I think I like it when I get touched. I hope that's hashtag relatable. I'm sorry. Okay, let's see. So this was it. Pretty obvious one, we can say. Let's go to the next one. So, as you can see, like, how am I supposed to work with this? If you can trade, like, looking at this, like, just looking at this, you're goated. I mean, then you know your stuff. I mean, if you win. If you don't, then you're dumb. You're a dummy. But no, this is like way better to look at. Like, it's kinky. I would say it's kinky to look at. So let's say these eyes are level. I play the waiting game. Come on, if it's big, it broke through. Now we look for a potential client. I got a client, I found him. I can't tell you my strategy. Hey boys, if you want a strategy, no wait, huh? No, I need to buy it. Oh, misclick. That's on me, I need to buy it. So if you want my strategy, please let me know in the comments. Maybe I'll do an explanation video once. But not right now. Okay, but it's not right now. And this one goes here. And now I play the waiting game. This is too easy. That's what I'm saying. Like 90% win rate. If you want it, 90% win rate. Because I'm not messing around. Years. Actually, 1 year. I spent 1 year studying. 1 year. Every single day. For, I would assume, multiple hours. I mean, some days just 1 hour. Some days like 2. Study. Looking at this. There were times when I like closed my eye. I saw like candlesticks. I saw candlesticks when I closed my eyes. I dreamt about trading. And I don't think that's healthy. And like this is written that like I'm decked out like this. Like this chain costs like $20. And this watch costs like $30, okay? $50 of jewelry. That's a lot. Oh, and this, of course. I got it for my birthday. I'm not messing around. So focus on this shit, okay? So, great strategy. We didn't even go in the negatives. We touched it, like, that's what I'm saying. We touched the tip. Like the tip, like it entered. The tip entered. I'm sorry. The tip entered and it like bounced. You know, pull-out game, you feel me? So the pull-out game was insane here. This is the pull-out strategy. Oh, that's what I'm gonna call it. The pull-out game. Ooh, the pull-out strategy. Hashtag pull-out strategy. Yeah, it's looking beautiful. Yeah, I don't think we need to analyze this one much further. Ooh, this is a bit harder to work with if I do say so myself, but I think I can work with this. It's beautiful because I draw like the zone and it like matches up. That's the best feeling you get from trading. Now I play the waiting game, you know, we all know how the waiting game goes. We wait one more. Nice, beautiful. Oh, this is what I like to see. Now we look and we buy. We buy until, I would say here. This is our tip. This is where the tip goes. And this is where we take the L. And the tip, oh, that's what I'm saying. Did you see that? Instant replay on this one. I want an instant replay. Oh, that was kinky. I know if you're a female, you just got wet. Yeah, the zone is already been marked here, but doesn't matter. Let's see. It's not even marked well, so I know what the big idea was here. Okay, now we play the waiting game. Okay, nice. Now we look and analyze. Touch yourselves. Can I say that? Okay, I think this is gonna be a risky one. I think I'm risking it for the biscuit. So either I can like trade until this. I think I can do this. Because normally I would put it here, but like as you can clearly see, it's like it tipped it. So the tip has touched. The tip has landed. But as a real baller, let's say here, okay. This is a risk. Where the hell did my take profit go? Okay. This is a big risk, okay? And basic risk require big stop losses. And I call thunder. Ooh. Oh. That is so beautiful. 4. Just think about how beautiful that is. That's a tip. That's a tip strategy, a pull-out strategy. Okay, it touched with the tip. It's only the tip. It's not going in all the way. Only the tip. But look, oh, it's so beautiful. And then it reversed, and we got it. Like we fished it out of the ocean. You feel me? Like, whoa, like, oh, and then and we got like a big fish. And then it's a small fish, a big one. You have to hold it like this. You can't just hang. You can't just. You know when fishers take like pictures, they want to hold it with like one hand and do this. You can't. Now this one you need to like do this with. No, camera, like my face. Ooh, like a baby. You feel me? So, yeah, that's nice. A financial advisor would not. If you want me as a financial advisor, call me. I'm all open. Okay, next. I'm too good at this. Okay. What am I supposed to do here? Now this looks better. This looks more up to my speed. We mark down. It also like when okay, book through. Let's search. Let's analyze. Okay, let's make eye contact. Let's touch each other. Let's have some fun. If I hit this, I'm telling you a story. If I hit this, I'm telling you a story. Okay, tipping it. That's a tip. That's just a tip. Okay, this is foul to look at, but you feel me. Oh, and we tipped it. So that's it. Oh, that's beautiful. That's 5 for 5. Right, chat, that's 5 for 5. Oh, my cam just died. I know why. Probably racist, because I'm from another country. Aside from that, even though I have much success with my economics, financial status, I have less success with the women. Can we say that? Even though I'm a Rizzler, I told the club story last time. But so the girl that like kissed me without consent. That happened like Friday. Yeah, this Friday. I'm only telling recent stories. So like, girl like kissed me without consent. She asked for my Snap, and I don't mess with Snap. I have Snap. I have Snapchat for 6 years. I have 7,000 Snap score. I got told that's a red flag. And then I said, no, that's not a red flag, but that means that I have something better to do. She has like 200,000, so that's a lot. That's a bop. That's what we call a bop. But I mean, it's like talking to a bop is a canon event. What? The bop is 17. Okay, I can tell you that. So I message her. Like, I mean, I'm not that into her. You feel me? So I send Fortnite clips, and if she don't fuck with my Fortnite clips, I don't fuck with her. Cause I send her Fortnite clips, and one of them is like a Victor Royale. Not a real one. I couldn't win, but I wanted to show off. Like, I can get Victor Royale. Chill out. So like, Google the vid. Yeah, so I googled the YouTube vid, and I just copied the Victor Royale from that, and then I said, with like the Snapchat caption of, "Chill, ladies, not all at once." Crying emoji, praying emoji. And then I like below that, it said like, "Is this heavily? Is this sexy? Is this how you get the females?" And she said, "Wow, that's really sexy." With like this emoji. Should I do it again? Like this emoji. I don't know if that was like a joke or not, but I don't care. Furthermore, then I asked, because I was intoxicated. I don't remember much from the night, but then I asked her for like her age. I asked like, "Hey, what's your age?" And then like a day later, like who responds a day later? Like, you were not that busy, buddy. You were not that busy. So yeah, that was kind of sad. Like, buddy, you can't put me down there. Okay, I'm up there. I'm from the king to the pen to the ring to the. You feel me? But yeah, and then she said, no. Then I didn't even read it for a whole day. Like, she messed with me. She messed with me. You feel me? So I'm not messing around. So I don't read it for a whole day, and then I'm like, nah, I'm answering in the morning. So like more than 24 hours passes, and then I answer. No, more than 24 hours pass. Then I read it out. It says 17 from 07. So she's 17 years old. Then I read it. And then I think to myself, dang, she old. You feel me? Have you seen those TikToks like, how do you know I'm from 2007? Like old people. I got the same thing. But the thing is, I half swiped her, so I could see the text message, but she couldn't see that I read it. But it doesn't really matter because like 30 minutes? No. An hour later, I responded. I was busy. For instance, I'm a busy man. I responded and I said, I can tell you exactly what I said. It's like, I said it in Dutch, but translated, it's like, you're almost the grandma. Will you put me in your will? Crying emoji, begging emoji, crying emoji, begging emoji. Then she answered. Like, I think like 30 minutes ago, but I was too scared to look at it because, like, dang, I fumbled. No, I mean, it's not like I really tried, but like, the idea of losing something you've never had is like painful, you feel me? You know, when your crush, you've never even spoke to, like, gets with someone, same idea here, but she's not my crush, and I don't know, but I thought this was a chance. But if you comment that you want to see a reaction, I will tell you. I will share it with the whole class. Okay, class, back to trading. Hope you enjoyed that story. That's the story of the day. I also want to do a quote of the day, or like, yeah, a quote of the day. That's fun. Okay, next. We're 5 for 5, so hope I won't fumble because that would be really embarrassing. I mean, 5 for 5 is not all that, you feel me? So let's see. I'm gonna assume it's this whole thing. And I play the waiting game. Oh, come on. Come on, just a tip. Not entering here, buddies. No. I don't want to enter. Yeah, that's what I'm talking about. Okay, maybe I should have entered. Okay, we all make mistakes in our life. Next. Okay, boys and girls, if you're a female, please let me know, because that's crazy. I mean, I'm a female magnet, so don't worry about it. You know what they always say? No, that's our quote of the day. Whenever, like, have you ever been like scrolling on Instagram and you feel like you see like a vid of this is what a girl really wants, and then she like keeps on yapping about we want flowers. Boys, if you want to catch a fish, you won't ask the fish how to catch it. You ask a fisherman. That's deep. That's real deep. In this metaphor, I am the fisherman, okay? The female is the fish, I am the fisherman. Absolute cinema. Absolute cinema. Let's see. We have the... yeah, we have this. I can like perfect my strategy a bit more, but I'm actually just a baller, so it doesn't really matter that much. Let's see yet again here. The thing is, my last vid got 1 view, and that 1 view was me. It got quite a lot of impressions though, which made me happy, but 1 view. And 1 comment, that was also me. So we are full of imposters. Okay, aside from that, like, can we break through, please? Nice. Like this, who the hell threw a zone here? Who will look? Oh, that was me. That was Levi. Oh, never mind. That's embarrassing. Oh, that's embarrassing because I can't trade it. I can't. You can see it like touched. It already touched it with the tip. It's already tipping it. The tip strategy. See, you can't assume because it goes in, it's also going out the other way. That is true. Maybe I would like to perfect that. I would like to backtest that strategy. But I personally wouldn't live by those rules. Yeah, I think I can remove this. And I can... Where should I back? I'ma just do this. I live by my own rules. I'm a rebel. Come on. Don't have all day. Thing is, YouTube like... Oh, I accidentally... Oh, and... Too late. I just kept spamming and nothing happened. The thing is, YouTube disabled my comments. Because they thought I was a kid, but look at me. Do you really think I'm a kid? No, I'm not a kid. So I changed the subtitles to cursing. So like that I cursed. And then YouTube thought, that's a big boy. Now that's a grown up. That's a grown up if I've ever seen one. let's see. Let's see. So I would assume it's from here to here. It's always, oh. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful to see, beautiful to see. I don't care. This is untradeable. I'm trading it either way. No, I can't. Okay, let's test it out. Let's test out what I just said. So I'm testing out if I, and this needs to be here and this here, I think. Let's test out once because once it goes in, it also comes out the other end. But it's not always like that, I think. So we can assume it's going to touch it, it's going to tip it above the other, and we check. So it tipped it. That's a fact. We know that. That's pretty easy to check. I also had a strategy. This is what I'm saying. I also had a strategy. I called it like the action candle. If there is an action candle and it gets surpassed, then it means it's going up. So like this is our action candle. Let me zoom in. So this is our action candle, and it got surpassed by other candles. So in my old strategy, it goes up, and my old strategy was peaking. It was good. It wasn't as good as my current, but according to my old strategy, it would go up until here. Until here. It would go up until here. Now, that's what I'm saying. The old strategy is not that good. I mean, it's good, but it relies on small support and resistance zones, which happen a lot. I mean, I can zoom out a bit and I can drop like. Let me draw out some. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Oh, that you got what I mean. Oh yeah, and like yeah, that's what I'm talking. So this is what I was talking about. Like it really touched it and then it went down. So yeah, you can. I mean, I recommend you to use it in your strategy. The surpassing candle will keep going. I mean, yeah, it will keep going. And if you won't follow the rules, then okay, buddy, I'm gonna touch you. Then you're getting touched tonight. Then it's a freak off. Then we are having a freak off. That you can't trade high volatility. That's the issue. If it's like high volatility, it's not like good for technical analysis. That's more of like Elon Musk said, Dogecoin to the moon. You feel me? So if Elon Musk says Dogecoin to the moon, then it's going to the moon. I just want to mention that. That's pretty important, I think. Let's say until here. I don't know. I want it to break through. Like, yes, that's what I'm talking about. Oh, this is so small. In fact, this is not even existent. Not even existent. Come on, boys. I want a good one. Oh, I'm getting to, I want a tweak off. Let's have a tweak off. Okay, so this is our zone, please. Just, yes. Beautiful. All I want chat to say is GG. Okay, nothing else. All I want to hear is GG. GG! If you don't fuck with me, you fuck me. This is not a compression shirt. Like I mentioned, I'm not making a compression shirt look baggy. This is a thermo t-shirt. Okay? Not a compression shirt. Know the difference, buddy. Because I'm not a muscle mommy. You know, I'm not a muscle mommy, so I can't really pull off a compression shirt. But yeah, that's all I want to say. So that's it. Please drop a follow. Highly appreciated. I think I'm gonna film the intro again. So